So I built the custom frame and poured the epoxy, designed my lake file, and then I moved over to the laser. This does a combination of scoring, engraving, and then the final step is to cut it out. Depending on the size of the map, this one is 30 inches by 36 inches. I think this was probably about a 20 to 30 minute process. The speed varies based on the size of your laser and the speed of your laser. I'm sure I could make it go even faster, but I'm comfortable with those settings. I really like the detail that you can get, on these lake files, so it's pretty great. Since this video, I picked up a little tool called a picking tool that helps push in between the small spaces to get that piece out. Here's what it looks like. This is a solid maple frame. Thanks for watching. If you've made a map, let me know.